Hey, what's going on, guys? Mr. Light here. I'm using a new screen recorder, and I'm using a mic, a actual mic. And we're going to play some Minecraft. This is my first time using this mic. And this is my computer, so yeah. Oh, just or that. That was a mistake which I made. Yo. Sorry. Just wanted to do that. My life is weird. A free gift? I don't care about it. Alright guys, how about let's make a new world, survival. Wait, what's this? I don't know what that is, so yeah. I believe I tried using this microphone when on Roblox once, and it didn't work. Okay, showing nothing. Let's see. No, starting map. Hmm. What's right here? Let me get old. Like the old version of Minecraft. I like to be myself. Hello. Sorry. Yeah, I was just testing something. That was like a mute button. Okay. Alright, we're in Minecraft. And this is a nice biome. Okay, I guess we're going to start cutting down the tree. Like, if you guys feel comfortable about me playing on my laptop, just let me know, and let me know which I should download Fortnite on my laptop. And I'm pretty sure which I'm going to be pretty horrible right on my laptop because I never played Fortnite right on PC, only on PlayStation. Um, so yeah. Alright. Reason why I wish I leave these stumps because I kind of like it real life. So I want to try to make this like to a series. Like if you guys like this, once I figure out how I post this on YouTube. Oh, some of those trees. Okay. Have you really He's always on who like this. Can I have my wood? I have not played Minecraft on my computer or I mean my laptop for a very long time, so I might be a tiny bit rusty. Rusty dusty. What did I just say? Uh, that chicken scared me right there. Oops, I messed up my thing. For you guys to just want to see the time, there we go. Seems like I'm not signed into my account on my laptop for some reason. I need to fix that after. Dude, listen. Uh, I think I can beat Ninja around Minecraft. My shovel broke. Well, I have to end this video like very soon because I have to move because today's a school day a and this is and we're in quarantine. Well, this will probably be the end of the video. There's there's a start from our house and let's see. Also my this is touch screen. Uh, trying to go into third person so I can end this. Well, thank you for so much for watching. I don't know who like my mic picked up my voice, but I'll see you when I'm checking out this. Thank you for so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Peace. Now, how do I end?